and my half of an onion that I didn't use. So now let's get our bowl. Look, I have a cutting board now. Yay! Thanks to my hubby. I've bugged him enough about it, I guess. So, gotta get you a nice sharp knife. Such as this. Cut that open. You're going to have to wash all your vegetables. Not just because of the COVID, but because that's what you do. That's what you're supposed to do. I'm going to do it. I do it all the time. The salad's really good. I like it. I used to never like salad. This is not a special salad. It's special because my mom used to make it, you know, for, like I said, Christmas. She used to make a really nice tall salad. Now, I'm going to take this and I'm going to cut some of these leaves off of here. Because you don't want these. They're no good. They're brown. And then you're going to take it and rinse it off. There you go. I'm going to take some paper towel and put it down right here for when I'm done with the washing of the lettuce, because it's going to be wet. Here we go. We'll wash the lettuce. I have a dish in this thing. Sorry. Get all your water out. There we go. Now wash these. Wash that off. Okay. Now we're going to get started. Take this. Well, I don't want to do that. It's not going to do it. Alright, you just decor it, pretty much. It's a little tougher than I thought. I just woke up from a nap. So I'm kind of tired still. Cut that out. Now turn it over. There we go. So one side of it. And then another side. Get your lettuce. I hope I don't lose this footage because I'm really mad. Alright. Like I said, just run your knife through your lettuce. Let it flow. I know everybody knows how to cut lettuce, but, you know, some people just find it calming just to watch or hear somebody talk, and that's okay. You really don't have to cut it with a knife, but I'm cutting it with a knife today. Yeah. I might want to get that off of there. That'd be nice. You know why? Yeah. I was up early this morning, straightening my kitchen up because that prednisone keeping me up at night. So I was like, why waste energy? Go ahead and clean your stuff up, and then later today we'll take our trash off and we'll be caught up on everything until my little nephew gets here and I can have more time with him, you know. Sorry. That's in the way. His birthday is next weekend. We're probably going to do a little something. Not, you know, you're not supposed to do big gatherings, but I don't think it's going to be a big gathering. We're just going to have a couple people. No more than 10. You know. We have an unboxing to do tonight. Yes, we do. I got something from my paparazzi that I am doing. I'm doing paparazzi now. And I'm so excited to do this because I've never did anything like this before. I've never did, you know, anything like Mary Kay. I did do Mary Kay at one time, and I was really young. I was into like the junior stuff. I was in school at that time. So I didn't do too good because I really didn't take it seriously, you know. But I'm going to take this seriously because I think the jewelry that I'm going to sell is really nice. And it's affordable. It won't break your pocket. You know, and I feel good selling it. And it's for a good company, you know. I know a lot of people sell this stuff, so. But if you would like to go to my sales page, that would be really nice of you. And help a girl out, you know. If you were doing it, I'd help you out too. You know. There's some more lettuce. I try to chop the lettuce up kind of small so it goes a long way, you know. Alright, there's that. Swipe our board off again. It's really got a lot of water on it. Okay. Now we're going to do our tomato. I'm going to cut this off first. Then I'm going to hull it out. Just like this. I didn't do that last time, but the last time I did it, I think it would make it a little easier to core it first. And then pull it out. Stick your finger in and pull. There it is. The core. Alright, now you can go in and just top away. Now, you can't see. I know a lot of my videos look like they're zoomed in. I guess because I'm very close to the camera where I'm doing stuff. If that bothers you, I'm sorry. My counters are kind of small. If it does, I may have to take my filming to maybe my kitchen table, and maybe that would work. More tomato. It doesn't matter what shape or size you cut your tomato. If you like big tomatoes, you like big tomatoes. If you like small tomatoes, you do whatever you like, your preference. Everybody says that in their video, but like I say, if you do what you want to do, that pretty tomato. If you do what you like, then we will all get along, and that's how I think it should be done. You shouldn't try to tell someone to do something a certain way, you know, especially if they like it. We all have different personalities, and that's what makes us all unique, and that's what it makes us all great to be around, you know. Two tomatoes here. Alright, I'm going to dump it in the bowl. Okay, and I'm going to cut this last one. And then we're going to go to our onion and then our cucumber. Ooh, I could have stabbed my finger. And then Jace would have had something to say to me. Don't cut your finger, Cap. Because I say that to them in every video and every time, because I'm so scared that he's going to cut his finger. But I can't tell him that he wants to help, so. I enjoy him helping me, though. I want to add a segment on Philip helping me in the kitchen. Since he is so funny and he's so liked and everything, I think he'd like it. I teach him to do things in the kitchen and stuff. I like us in the kitchen together, me and him. You know, we never have been, but for my birthday, which was in January, I wanted him to cook me a dinner. I didn't care what it was. I'm not big on hot dogs, but if it had been hot dogs, it would have been sweet. But instead, he did take me out to a nice restaurant where I wanted to go anyway, Mexican. And he got me a cake, and I don't know if I got a cake this time last time, because I think I was going through some stuff. I'm not real sure. I'm always going through something. That's what I should name my channel, The Tragic Life of Tabitha. I don't want to do that, though. I did, if you notice, I changed the spelling of my name. Instead of L-O-O, it's L-O-U, because, well, at the time, I don't know, I just spelled it the way I thought it sounded, you know, but, and then I seen somebody put L-O-U, and I was like, well, maybe that is, you know, how you spell it, so I just went ahead. I don't want that in there, I do not have my bacon bits, which go in this, so I will be going to the store later and I'll get those and you'll see me put them in there. The bacon bits really help the flavor. Like, it really helps, like, you put the bacon bits in there, like, when you make it. And I also do croutons, but you do not want to put your croutons in there and let it sit in there because they get soggy from the water from the vegetables and stuff like that. And that, I mean, it tastes okay, but you don't want that, trust me. You don't want that. I'm pretty sure everybody that's on this channel that's watching me right now knows that. You just don't want that. And I don't do a lot of editing. Not because I don't know how, but I don't do a lot of editing because I feel like that a lot of times people edit too much out and it makes it look like they're hiding something, and that's just me. Like, I mean, I watch a lot of YouTubers and I just want to be honest with my YouTubers and people that like me and stuff. To what I'm doing, you know. But I'll probably will cut some of it out sometime because, you know, sometimes it's just me yabbing and stuff. Trying to make these really diced up. Because I am not a fan of onion. But this purple onion, it brings out the flavor so much in this salad. So do not skip the onion. If you don't like onion, that's okay. But if you can do it, onion is good. This onion, this red onion, is really good. Alright, I'm going to cut it up. I like mine really little, like I said. I can get a little taste of that and everything, you know. I hear onion is supposed to be really good for, like, colds and stuff like that. So, this is an excellent thing. We need it right now for the COVID. We do have a prayer request from a friend that is a YouTuber, and I will not mention who this is, but I will say that we shall pray for this person and her family. She's sick. She's been sick with the COVID, and she's doing a lot better, but I don't know if she would like to be mentioned on here, so I will not mention who she is. Okay? Okay. Alright. I'm going to peel my cucumber. And you need a smooth edge to do that. Not a jagged edge like this, because that wouldn't be good. Now, put it down the board. Cut that cucumber up. Alright. Now, I'm going to cut this in half, make it a lot easier on me. Because my little hands are small, and they get the cramping if they, you know, peeling something. So this will cut down on that, hopefully. I didn't do that last time, though. But I didn't think about it either, so. Cucumber smells so good. This really makes the salad, too. The cucumber, oh my goodness. Yes. You don't want to skip the cucumber. The only thing I used to get in my salad was lettuce, tomato, cheese, the typical fluffy girl stuff, you know, something. As long as it was fattening. Oh, croutons. I get the croutons, of course. And my favorite dressing was ranch. And it is still. But I like to put Catalina on mine. It just, I don't know. It don't take much to flavor your food. Ranch, I just pour it all over it. And you know. I like sour cream. You can put sour cream in yours. We never really put sour cream in our tossed salad very much. Man. Has anybody ever eat like sugar-free candy from Stouffer's? I'm going to tell you something. I ate that stuff. Oh my goodness. I have had bad gas, blowing Philip up. Oh God. He can vouch for me. Oh, it's awful. And yes, I'm admitting it. Girls, you do. You poot. Tell the truth. Yep, y'all sure do it. And then this is what I don't get about men. Yeah, okay, us women, we have the same thing you guys have. We have a butt. And we are gassy too. But I guess it's not ladylike to do something like that. No, it's not. But it's also a natural thing that happens. It's not something I do intentionally, but if I gotta do it, I gotta do it. It's more room outside than inside. And I'm talking about defusing, pooting, letting a rat go, cutting the cheese, if you may. You gotta do it, you gotta do it. I mean, really. I know you guys can't see me cut this, but okay. But that's just how I feel. You gotta go. But you shouldn't make it a point to do it in front of anybody. I did that last night, being funny. But if if you can poot in front of your man and he not run away, he's the one for you. He is the one. Because not a lot of men would sit there and let you poot on them. And they can poot all day long. But as soon as you do it, you are what they call scum. Scum. I don't believe that, but that's what they believe. My daddy, he was crazy. He say, we'd be sitting at the table, or, well, not the table, because that would be really ill-mannered to do that. That's just what I believe. That's how I was raised. That you shouldn't pass gas at the table. That's ill-mannered. And I'm going to tell you something. It makes me mad. Only because, you know, I'm eating, you know. You don't do that. But if you've been with this person, my dad, we'd be sitting there watching TV or something, and you better not let a rat go. If you do, you're going to get the eyes of the devil. Whew. He's like, I mean, he would look at you like you done committed a serious crime. But he could do it, and he'd go, what was that? You do it, you're so nasty. And you feel awful about it. You do. Actually, I didn't. because I had to poot. That's enough about that, I guess, but it's true. Men, we do it. I don't care. Women might get mad if I admit it, but I'm just going to tell you. There's no sugarcoating on this channel. Yes, we do. But, you know. Alright, there's that. Alright, I've cut up all my vegetables. My big blue bowl. Okay, guys, now we're going to cut our pepper up. I've already washed it. And we're going to cut it up for our salad. I'm going to cut it down like... Well, let me move that. That would help. That's better. Alright, I'm going to take it and I'm going to cut it down like this. Then I'm going to take it and cut all the seeds out. So I hope everybody's doing great. This is a continuation of the other part. I had to go out and get some more ingredients for my salad that I promised that I would make my salad for one of my YouTuber friends. And I promised and I meant it. Like I said, I already washed it. You see the water on it. We're going to cut it out. Remove all the seeds. This is not a hot pepper. Everybody knows that. Bell pepper. Okay. Make sure you clean it up. Clean up the pepper inside. Smells so good. Peppers make a salad really good, guys. A tall salad. Then you're going to cut them in strips. Cut in strips. At least that's what I'm going to do. Try to cut them up as small as you can so you can get pepper in every bite. I finally got me a cutting board, guys. My husband got tired of hearing me complain about he threw my cutting boards away, and he bought me one. That was a long time ago when he threw them away, though. It took him 3 years to get me a cutting board. And I had to complain for 3 years, guys. But he would have got me one. If I had asked him for one, he would have bought it. But I didn't. I decided to complain about it. And aggravate him about it. Yeah. So tomorrow, I'm going to do a small little Mother's Day thing with my mom. Well, she's not here, but what I'm saying is, like a tribute to her, and I'm going to do some baked beans, and some macaroni and cheese, and some barbecue chicken in Instapot. I really like my barbecue chicken. Really good. So I hope you guys can join me for that. By the way, happy Mother's Day to all mothers. Even mothers that were, lost babies. Happy Mother's Day. I'm one of them. I lost a baby. And I always have that thought of what if, But I know that it just wasn't meant to be. And one day it may be or it may not be. If it's not, it's not. But I do know that my mom is in heaven with my baby. That's one thing this is one thing I came up with today. I was just thinking how my mom was here with Jace when he was little. And now, you know, when I have that miscarriage, my baby's in heaven and she's up there with it. I never even got to meet my baby. But she did. She is up there with it. So is Papa and Granny. Then we're going to do the same thing with this one. Cut it in slits. Everyone that joined my live yesterday, or the paparazzi, thank you so much. I enjoyed it. And I will do lives on here too. If you guys would like lives on the paparazzi jewelry that I'm selling. You can also go on my site. I will link my stuff in the bio at the bottom. My consultant number. You can use my number to buy your stuff. I also have stuff on hand. I have a site. If you would like to be added to that, go to my Facebook and say, you know, you want to be added to the group, the jewelry group, and I'll add you in. No problem. Women, you know, you get sets for $5 of earrings, and they have rings, and they have necklaces. They have all kinds of stuff. They have men's jewelry too. They also have children's jewelry that I can look up for you. Like I said, it's Mother's Day tomorrow. And I hope your mother has a wonderful day. And also you, if you're a mother. If not, when you become a mother, you'll be celebrating the same things. I know that. Yep, I try to cut these small. At least, you know, when I go to stores and stuff, I see, like, this is how they look when I strip them. But then I cut them down. But when I go to the, like, businesses and they do a tossed salad, they usually leave them in big rings, but I don't like it like that. I like to chop it up. So, like I said, you get a bite of pepper and everything. Also, when I make the salad, after I make the salad, I let it sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour, or overnight is better. That way the croutons have time to set. Well, I don't put croutons in it until after, but the bacon bits. The bacon bits is what really gives it the flavor. You put the bacon bits in there in your salad, and it flavors it. Then I take, if you want to, you could take some oven roasted turkey and cut it up in there. It's delicious. I'll show you my stuff. Hi. Okay, there's the peppers. Hold on. Let me find them. See? All cut up. There we go with that. And then I have my bowl of salad that I've cut up. And I put in here. And I just take it, move that over, I just take it, and I scrape my peppers over in there. There we go. Put that in the wash, and put all this stuff together. So take your knife and dig it down in there. Then you want to take real bacon bits. Real. I could have cooked them too and put it in myself, but I got these. It's the real bacon bits from Walmart. You tear the bag open, of course, and you just put them all in there. The bacon gives it the flavor, guys. Just put it all up in there. Some people even put egg in it. I didn't because Philip doesn't like egg in his. But if you like, put egg in yours. My mom used to put egg in there, I think. I'll let you guys see more bacon. You can't go wrong with bacon, guys. Bacon, bacon. I know. Piggy. Yep. More bacon. You just mix it around there. Like I said, the bacon gives it the flavor. Alright. I'll let you guys take a peeky at it. A peeky at it. And there you have it. All my vegetables. I think I don't have a pepper either. And you need a pepper. So I'm going to get one of those when I go to the store too. Peppers are good too. And they are definitely a flavor enhancer. You want everything. Flavor enhancer. Yes, my hands are clean. Reach from the bottom of the bowl and pull that stuff up. Alright, there's my scraps and there's my roasted bowl. Alright, we'll be back with putting more ingredients in later. Bye! Okay, I take some wrap and wrap the bowl. And probably about an hour or 30 minutes to an hour before you eat, put it in the refrigerator. Let all the stuff come together. The flavors. You got to have your bacon bits in here first, though. But I gotta go get those, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. And the pepper. Gotta have the pepper too. Gotta cut that up too. All right. There's the tossed salad with the bacon bits, the tomato, the pepper, the onion, and I also have Texas toast croutons, and that's what we put in here. And then we have a choice in the ranch or the Catalina, and I like Catalina. Okay, there's his salad. And his doesn't have no kind of chicken in it. It just has the regular salad, no kind of meat. Alright, there's the salad. Okay, here is my unboxing for my Paparazzi jewelry. I said I would do an unboxing for you guys. Will not show my address. That's not happening. It comes in this really cute pink package. Let's get this out of the camera view, maybe. Yeah. Cat food. Yeah, this is what kind of, this is obviously the back. It's fairly big. That's what it looks like. Okay, we're going to do our unboxing of our Paparazzi jewelry. Knife in hand. Let's cut this open. I had to put stuff on here so it can be completely safe for me to open. It is beautiful. This is what you should see when you open it. Very pretty. showed you what it first looks like. It's very pretty packaging. This is just a thing, I guess, to protect it. We'll be popping them later. Alright. So what you see when you first get it, it looks just like that. It's all pretty. This is the kit. You can lift it out of here, but I'm not going to. I have things to do with this stuff first. Alright. Some more stuff you guys gotta see. Just in case maybe you want to get into this. Because it's really pretty. Beautiful. Okay. Set y'all back up here. Now. This is the like little accessory thing. This is a book. Okay. This is my party planner, guys. We don't need to drop that. Okay, we got another box in here. And I'm guessing this is the jewelry that you guys will get to look at. I probably will not be taking it out of the thing. Oh, you can do this. This is what that is. Okay. This is all the jewelry right here. And it is beautiful. Oh, they are beautiful. Yeah. I gotta let you guys see that stuff. Ooh, they are so pretty. You're not going to be able to resist this stuff, guys. I like those. I'll have to take them out the package later and everything because I've got to do stuff with them beforehand. But I just want to let you guys see. I did get my stuff. Got it all in. All this jewelry. Well, so pretty. It makes me just want to buy it all. Well, I did buy it all, but, you know, have it all myself. This is my stock. Some more stuff. Some more things. Oh, look, you got a little bracelet. Cuffs are on the arm. That's cute. Got me some hoops. Some hoop earrings. So, I will be taking this out later, but for now I have to do stuff with it. So, and put it up on my site so you guys can see it. It's beautiful packaging. Yes. Move all that to the side. Let's see what's inside the box. Inside the box. This is some beautiful stuff. And it's affordable, so you don't have to break your hubby's pocket. You know what I'm saying? You get this. Your hubby won't be mad at you for buying it because it's affordable, guys. And you're helping our family and everything. Wow. This is all my stuff. Just awesome. Yes. You get this stuff. You get a lot of things in this little box. Well, I'm going to go ahead and put this away. And then later tonight, I'm going to be putting stuff up on my site so you guys can see it better. If you want to get a better view of it, you go on my site and look at it. I'll post my site up for you guys to see. I got a lot of work to do tonight, but it's all worth it. It's going to be all worth it. Because look how beautiful. If I could take it out right now, I would. But I can't right now. I got to use this. Pretty. Look how pretty that is. It's got the earrings with it and a necklace. Earrings and necklace go all together. That's pretty. All these little pearl earrings, they're so pretty. For you pretty girls out there. And then you got the ones with the little, they're really pretty. I'm going to have to get all this stuff together for you guys and set it all up. And I got to get it going. But I really enjoyed y'all looking at my stuff. Hold on. Oops. There you go. I know some of it you couldn't really see. So I'm going to try to get it through here. Tabby's got a lot of work to do tonight. Put it up on the site so y'all can really see it better. There's a lot of earrings in here. Real pretty. Oh, this purple one. Purple is so pretty. It's got, this is the necklace. And it's got earrings with it too. Now look how pretty that is. It's got earrings with it too, guys. Yeah. I'm trying to move kind of fast because I got stuff cooking. There's that one you've seen. There's a yellow. These would be perfect for like Easter or something like that. Now this is really pretty for a young girl, or they would love that. It's a necklace with earrings. Matched it up, man. It's another thing, another necklace. It's really pretty. And here's another big bag. And I will be putting all this stuff on my site. And you'll go to my site and you can order it on there. And you can get a better look. Alright. There it all is.